Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cilantro ranch dressing. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of buttermilk for the creamy base. For that fresh flavor, grab 1/4 cup of packed fresh cilantro, 1 small clove of garlic, and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Finally, season with 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to blend. Carefully add the mayonnaise, buttermilk, fresh cilantro, garlic, onion powder, salt, and pepper into your blender or food processor. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. You might need to pause and scrape down the sides once or twice to ensure everything is fully incorporated. Blend for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. After blending, give your cilantro ranch a taste. This is your chance to adjust the seasonings. You might want a little more salt or pepper. If you prefer a thinner consistency, simply add an extra tablespoon of buttermilk and blend again briefly. For the best flavor, chill the dressing in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve it with your favorite salads, tacos, or as a dip. Your homemade cilantro ranch dressing is now ready to enjoy. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 5 days, so you can enjoy it throughout the week. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This dressing is incredibly versatile and adds a burst of fresh flavor to so many dishes. Enjoy every creamy, herby bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.